guys, welcome to Keeping It Simple Crafts. I hope everyone's having a great day. Today I'm going to show you how I made this cute, easy, and inexpensive spring floral arrangement in this cute $5 metal truck decor from Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree has the trucks with other cute things in the back of it. I just happened to pick up the one that has the cute little carrot, but I did remove the carrot because I want to make a spring floral arrangement. I picked up most of my flowers at Dollar General, but some of them did come from Dollar Tree. You're also going to need a square of foam, and this is from Dollar Tree, and it comes in a pack of 4, so 1 square. You're going to need some ribbon with wire to wrap the foam and also for a bow. And I just removed the carrot out of the bed of the truck, and now I'm going to take some ribbon and just hot glue it around the foam. And you might want to put on your hot glue finger guards for this part, just be very careful. I am not very good at painting, but if you are good at painting, those little trucks are adorable and they would look super cute with maybe some flowers on them or some decorative artwork. But I just left mine white, and here I'm just hot gluing the ribbon around all 4 sides of my foam. That way, if it shows, you're going to see the ribbon and not the green foam. You can make this arrangement for any season or holiday. I am just making mine for spring. Now I'm going to hot glue the foam into the bed of the little truck, and I'm just using Gorilla Glue, hot glue, and I have my hot glue gun set on the low temp setting. So I'm just going to place my foam on top of the hot glue, push it down, and let it have time to dry. If you are enjoying this tutorial so far, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, leave me a comment, share this tutorial with a friend, and if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, I would love to have you as a subscriber. It is free to subscribe. Now here I'm making a simple little bow. I'm going to tie one for the left side and one for the right side, and this is 1.5 inch width ribbon with wire. I just picked it up at Sam's Club this spring. Now I'm taking a zip tie, going to wrap it nice and tight around the center of my bow. Then I'm going to dovetail the ends. To dovetail the end, fold it in half with the edges to the left side, go to the folded side, cut away from the fold, and that makes the pretty V on the ends. Just kind of dresses it up, or you can just cut it at a slant or knife cut. Then don't forget to fluff the loops of your bow and get your tails going in the same direction. And so I am going to be attaching this in the foam. And so I picked up, I don't know what these are called, but I picked them up at Michael's in a package. So I'm wrapping the wire around the center of the bow, and then it's got like a little pick on the end that I'm just going to stick into the foam. So I'm going to put one on the left and one on the right. I usually just take some floral wire and wrap it around the center of my bow and twist the wire a couple times and push it into the foam. So either way will work. So I just put one on the left and one on the right, and here I'm making my second bow. So I let out a tail, make a loop, keep it pinched tightly in your left hand, go the other side, make another loop the same size as your first, check to make sure the loops are the same size, let out a tail. Then I'm going to take a zip tie, wrap it nice and tight around the center of my bow. So this one's going on the other side of the truck. If you do not have any zip ties, you could take some floral wire and wrap it nice and tight around the center of your bow. And here I'm just dovetailing the ends. And then I'm going to fluff and shape my bow. And this is just a simple bow with 1.5 inch width ribbon with wire. And then I'm going to take that little piece of wire, wrap it around the center, and then I'm going to stick the pick into the foam on the other side of the truck. You do not have to add bows to your little truck if you do not want to, but I like the cute little bows. Now I picked up my greenery at Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to cut the greenery into shorter, smaller picks. When I'm making a floral arrangement, what I usually do on the left side, I do on the right side, or what I do on the front, I try to do on the back. Now it doesn't have to be perfect, but that's the way I like to do mine. So here I put one piece of greenery on a corner, then I put on the opposite corner another piece of greenery. Then here I'm doing it on all 4 corners. I like to try to do a pattern with my floral picks. So now I'm adding some to the center. Now this is the different type of greenery. So I'm putting 2 on the left side, Then I'm going to go to the other side, and I'm going to put 2 on that side. So usually I try to make my sides match and the front and back match. The cute flowers I am using all came from Dollar General. So I'm just taking them, cutting them into shorter pieces. Some of them were $1, some were $2, and some bigger bunches that Dollar General has are $3. But they really have nice flowers and the quality is really good. So if you're looking for some inexpensive spring flowers, check your Dollar General. And now I'm just taking the bigger Gerber daisies, or at least I think they're Gerber daisies, whatever they are beautiful. And I am just doing a pattern with them and filling in, and that's it. Once I get my flowers added, this arrangement is ready to set on any table, coffee table, entry table, wherever you would like. It is so simple and cute. So if you enjoyed watching me make this arrangement, let me know. I really enjoy reading your comments and I really appreciate it. And if you would, please share this tutorial and give this video a thumbs up. And if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, I would love to have you as a subscriber. It is free to subscribe and I share a lot of budget-friendly DIYs, shop with me videos, shopping hauls, and decorating videos. So thanks guys so much for watching.